Hey, Elita Six White Beast here. YouTube's making it harder for gun content, so now I'm turning it into food or how to cook. So episode 1, done with my smartphone, because I got no other camera set up right now. I'm gonna show you how I make chili. Alright, here we go.
Step 1. Place 3 pounds of lean beef into a microwavable strainer. Step 2. Add 1/4 cup of taco seasoning mix. Step 3. Add a tablespoon of garlic salt. Step 4. Dump on top the beef. Step 5. Mix it into the beef. Step 6. Place the microwavable strainer into the microwave. No shit. Step 7. Cook it for 3 sexy minutes. Step 8. Cut up 2 big red onions as the beef is cooking. Step 9. After 3 minutes, open up the strainer and dump up the liquid fat into a cup. Step 10. Cook the beef for another 3 sexy minutes. Step 11. Dump a gallon of water into a large pot and set to boil on high. Step 12. Get 3 pints of tomato juice ready. Step 13. When the water is boiling, add a box of noodles of your choice and boil the noodles for 10 minutes. Step 14. Turn off the stovetop and dump the boiled noodles into a noodle strainer. Step 15. Dump the noodles into a pot. Step 16. Dump in 3 cans of beans. Step 17. Wash off the delicious feces and dirt off the mushrooms. Step 18. Dump the mushrooms into a pot along with 2 scoops of jalapenos. Step 19. Dump up the liquid fat, same cup, from the beef. Step 20. Mix around your hot meat and cook again for another 3 sexy minutes. Step 21. Dump the tomato juice and set the burner to mid. Step 22. You know the drill. Dump the fat into a cup and cook for another 3 minutes. Step 23. Mix your chili and bump up the heat. Step 24. Keep mixing it. Wow, does it look sexy. Step 25. Last time you gotta do this shit. Dump the fat and dump the beef into a pot. Step 26. Mix together. Step 27. Eat. Warning, it's hot. Alright, this video was made by Elita Six White Beast. Please support me on Patreon and Rumble. Fuck you, YouTube.